Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kawasaki KX450SR, the pinnacle of motocross performance and race-ready engineering straight from the factory floor. Designed for serious riders who demand championship-level capabilities, the KX450SR brings Kawasaki's factory tech to your garage. At the heart of the KX450SR is a high-performance 449 cubic centimeters 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, DOHC, single-cylinder engine, delivering explosive power across the rev range. With a bore and stroke of 96.0 by 62.1 millimeters and a compression ratio of 12.5 to 1, this engine is engineered for rapid acceleration and unbeatable top-end speed. Fueling is handled by DFI with a Keihin 44mm throttle body, ensuring razor-sharp throttle response. Paired with a digital DC-CDI ignition and a 5-speed transmission, this bike is tuned for consistent holeshot dominance and smooth gear transitions. The 2025 KX450SR rides on a race-refined chassis with a rake of 27.1 degrees and trail of 4.7 inches, offering sharp handling and excellent front-end feel. Up front, you'll find a 49mm inverted coil spring fork with adjustable compression and rebound damping for tailored performance on any track. In the rear, Kawasaki equips the bike with a new uni-track suspension, offering adjustable preload, low and high-speed compression damping, and rebound damping, giving you factory-level tuning right out of the box. The KX450SR features 12 inches of front-wheel travel and 12.1 inches in the rear, paired with top-tier tire sizes, 80/121 in the front and 120/80/19 in the rear, to ensure superior grip, balance, and control in every corner. For powerful stopping power, the front brake uses a 270mm disc, while the rear employs a 250mm disc, giving riders confidence under hard braking conditions. The bike has a wheelbase of 58.5 inches, ground clearance of 13.4 inches, and a seat height of 37.6 inches, providing a balanced, aggressive riding posture. Fuel capacity comes in at 1.64 gallons, keeping it light for racing while still allowing solid motor duration. Without fuel, the bike weighs just 238.4 pounds, while the claimed curb weight is 248.3 pounds, offering an ideal power-to-weight ratio for elite riders. In conclusion, the 2025 Kawasaki KX450SR is more than just a motocross bike, it's a factory race machine made available to the public. Whether you're chasing holeshots or fighting through the pack, this bike gives you the tools to win. Thanks for joining. Ride safe and see you in the next time.